Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. And today I got lights. I'm so happy. You just don't understand how eager I was from the very starting to get at least the lights. So I'll be talking about the whole haul because I got a lot of stuff in my next video. Today we will be talking about like my love for eyeshadows. Let's just all agree with the point that I love eyeshadow. I just want to spend all my money on my eyeshadows. But this was a gift from my friend. My birthday is coming up because of that. This was a gift from my friend, and this is You Can Be Fruit by eyeshadow, and the colors. You know when eyeshadow can make you feel things. It's just a whole level of experience that if you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. So guys, this is the eyeshadow. This has every color possible. This is like 30 pan, and this is heavy. Like last time I got that fantasy eyeshadow, that was so light. I can't believe that has not, like, that is like 15 or 20 or 30 gram weight. I don't feel any weight. This has weight. I also got that for 999, I guess, but this was for 1099 on Amazon. You can get it. I will link the palette below. So this has 963 grams of product, so that's a lot. So enough of that. I have been talking for like 2 minutes, so enough of that. This will not be a tutorial, this will not be anything. I just want to try this, and I'm just gonna tell you what I use at the end of the video, because I don't want it to be like, okay, I'm using this and I'm using this, and after that that's like 24 minutes long video. And frankly, nobody has time to watch a 24 minutes long video just to see what a palette works like. At the end I will be telling you everything regarding this palette. So if you want to see what I feel about this palette, and is can I create a good eyeshadow with this palette, so let's get started. So guys, after that I know how to talk? Yes, I know. So guys, after that I think the look turned out great, but there are a few pointers I should tell you that you have to keep in mind while buying this product, especially about the mattes and those colorful mattes. So this palette has almost what, 30 eyeshadows, and it is for 1100, and that comes down to almost 37 rupees per eyeshadow. It's those glitters you can see. I just have used the bronze one, and I have used to outline the crease another, where is it, that SFR eyeshadow. These are good if you are really on budget. I have done a full video, you can check out on my channel. So I used this pink shade just to make sure that it is popping in the crease especially. So coming back to this palette, 37 rupees per shade. Few of the shades are very pigmented. You can, if they are not bam, they have a pigmentation that you can build up easily. That this is not a problem that they are patchy, or you can see in the video footage also, they are not at all patchy. Yeah, some colors I have a little tendency to be light, like this pink color, especially this is very light for my skin tone. I don't think this is gonna show up. And this brown shade, this does show up, but you just have to build it a little bit. So starting with what I did on my face especially, so I started with this color Haw, this shade, and then in the crease, and then I used choco chips just to create a depth in my crease. And after that I just cut my crease. I have used this bronze shade that is called Longan. What is this? LONG, Longan. I don't know who comes up with these names. So this was the bronze shade that I used, and after that in my outer crease I was like, okay, this looks good, but I just want a little bit of sassiness, and black gives me a lot of sassiness, I don't know. So I use the black in the shade, black in the palette, that is actually Blackberry. Black, I think, is the significance of if a palette is good or not. If a black is patchy, the palette is not gonna work. For my sake, I have seen a lot of palettes and those blacks work. This is, in good words, I can say this is okay black. This is not like bam, the one swipe and you are going to get the full pigmentation of black. This is black, but you just have to build it a little bit. Also for that green color, you have to build it. It looks so bright in the palette, but you need to build it. I have built it a little bit, but I have just made sure that it is diffused in my outer lower lash line. Okay, I don't know what is happening to me today. So I think for 1059, if you are a makeup lover, if you think that okay, 1059 is not a great amount to just spend, then please go ahead. You will not be disappointed by this product. But if you are not so much in like, okay, I don't want to spend 1000 rupees on just an eyeshadow, it is just your personal preference. I have done in past that okay, this is the great, you should buy it and all that, and after that I thought okay, as a normal consumer, you are doing YouTube, okay, great, you want a palette, but will a normal consumer buy it? So that is why I am giving you the perspective. Okay, if you like it, if you think that these colors makes you feel like okay, I'm going to use it every day, then please go ahead, buy it. Save a little bit for all the college girls out there, save a little bit, and I think you should buy because it has a lot of purples. I'm not saying green is a lot, green is just one shade, but yet purple, pinks, blues. So I think for the price, it is really great. The blendability you can see. First time I can say that I can clearly see a difference between those cheap, those 70 rupees eyeshadows and this 1000 rupees eyeshadow. You can clearly see a difference. So if you are a newcomer, beginner in makeup, I think you should just invest in one palette like this and just go for it, I think. And if you have the money, please do spend on it, and it is like kind of affordable because on other sites it's for 1300, 1400, 1500. So it depends on you, it's your choice. So guys, I hope you all like it, I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see all new updates if you want to see, and if you want to see the personal side of me, you can just follow on Instagram @Varshangi Adarsh. I would be linking my Instagram ID as well as that subscribe button in the bottom part below. Why do I stop talking? I don't know what is happening to me. So you don't have to just suffer through a lot. So I hope you all like it, I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you in the next video.